So, you think social media is just entertainment, a harmless distraction, a place to laugh, post, scroll, and forget. But let me tell you the hidden truth. It's not just shaping your free time, it's shaping you. Reason number 1. You think you're connected, but you're actually alone. Hundreds of likes, dozens of comments, yet when the screen goes dark, silence. Social media tricks you into thinking you have a tribe, but when life gets hard, how many of those followers will stand beside you? The truth? The more you chase digital approval, the emptier you feel in reality. Reason number 2. Social media poisons your mind with comparison. You don't see people's failures. You only see their highlights, vacations, cars, perfect bodies, perfect smiles, and then you look at your own life and feel like you're losing. But let me remind you, a lion doesn't look at another lion's hunt. He focuses on his own prey. Stop scrolling their success and start building yours. Reason number 3. You are not using social media. It is using you. Every notification, every ping, designed to keep you hooked, to make you spend hours, while your dreams rot in the background. You think you're the customer? No, you're the product. Your attention is being sold. So how do you escape? Limit your time, set boundaries with the screen. Stop comparing, focus only on your path. Build in reality, friends, skills, goals that can't be swiped away. Social media is not evil, but if you let it control you, it will eat your time, your confidence, your life. Use it with discipline, or it will use you with pleasure. Now, go watch my other lesson right here.